This video is about functions with a focus on evaluating functions. First of all, what do we mean when we say evaluate? Evaluate can mean put an input into a function and get an output. For example, we might be asked to evaluate f of 2 if f of x equals 3x plus 5. Pause the video for a second, do this yourself, and then check and see if your solution is correct. In this case, we get a result of 11. 2 is our input. We evaluated our function using 2, and our output is 11. It might also mean that we might need to perform a longer calculation. For example, we might be asked to evaluate f of 3 plus f of minus 1, given the function f of x equals x squared minus 2. In a situation like this, we can evaluate each of the inputs to calculate the outputs separately and then add them together. For example, we can first of all find f of 3, which is 7, and then f of minus 1, which is minus 1, and then we can add the results together as required. And in this case, our result would be 6. So 6 is what we get when we evaluate f of 3 plus f of minus 1. We might also be asked to evaluate something like 3 times f of 5. In this case, f of x is 2x plus 4. If we have a number in front of the function, like the 3 in this case, it means that we should first of all evaluate the function and then multiply our result by the 3. So in this example, I'll start by getting f of 5, which is 14, and then I'll move on to get 3 times f of 5, which is 3 by 14, or 42. When we evaluate something, it generally means that we get a value at the end or a number answer. There are some calculations that we might need to do in functions that won't give us a number answer, but will follow a very similar set of steps to what we've seen in these examples. In these situations, the instruction will often be to simplify. For example, we might be asked to simplify k times f of 2 if f of x equals x squared plus 3. Again, seeing something written in front of the f generally means we're going to multiply by it. So we're going to evaluate f of 2, like we did in the previous examples, and then multiply by the k. So I substitute in 2 as my input, giving me a result of 7. And now I want to find k f of 2 by just taking my result for f of 2 and multiplying it by k. That's pretty easy to do here. My result is 7k. Notice how there is a k in my answer. That's the reason the question asked me to simplify instead of evaluate, because I don't have a full number answer at the end. The expression that I have has a letter k.